Welcome again to Budget with Brian. This is my new Screed floor. Man, it's like a billiard table. It's sand and cement, and it's like a baby's bottom. The guys that came in here set up a laser level. They had a pump outside, and for the whole house, 950 square metres, they were done in 4 hours. I was impressed. If this is the result you get before, I think I'm going to use them again. Absolutely brilliant. So this is the underfloor heating manifold, and we've got to wire this in next. It's got 6 circuits, and then hot water and it's all pumped around underneath the floor. We're going to put some sensors in the floor. We're going to have wood flooring underneath, just to make sure that the flooring doesn't overheat. Should never, because these things are set at set temperatures. And the good thing about underfloor heating in this kind of house is that it maintains a constant temperature. So that's the underfloor central heating. What else can I show you? The bricklayers made quite a good job. This is a lintel at the moment, and we're going to put on a display piece over the front of it. But the wood burning stove going in here, and I have a couple of lights either side to give it some character. Maybe some quarry tiles at the front, and I think the bricklayers made a jolly good job of that, don't you? Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. Don't forget, you can see us on Instagram and
Twitter.
And don't forget to subscribe. Any comments, we're very happy to hear them.